Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from UWANT. This is their model Y100 Steam Carpet Spot Cleaner. And this is great for cleaning up spots on your carpet, your upholstery, maybe your car, in between the tiles in the bathroom, and things like that. We're going to dig into this now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is everything that we get once we get it unboxed. Again, the model number is Y100 Steam because this does have a steam function in it. You can see that we've got a 2-in-1 tank here, our controls, and a handle for either lifting out the 2-in-1 tank or the unit itself. We do get a warranty card, and we also get an instruction manual here, and this is going to give you all the basics on the modes. It's also going to give you the basics on your attachments and how to self-clean this. This does come with a self-cleaning function as well. So let's get into that. I also do include Oxy spot and stain remover for pet stains and other stains that may be older, which I will demonstrate today. And we get a few attachments with this as well, which we do want to take a look at. First off, the hose for this is quite long. You're going to get about 5 feet on the hose itself. You can see there is a water steam kind of lever here that you will pull to, spread water or steam depending on which mode you're using it in. There's a cold water, a hot water mode, and that hot water mode is going to be at 149 degrees, and then the steam mode, which is going to be at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The first attachment is going to be our main attachment for cleaning carpet stains, things like that. You've got a nice bristle brush on this. You'll see that your steam or water will come right out the front, and it can be removed for cleaning. You can also replace this brush head by lifting up on this, and you can take this out and you can replace it with several other ones as well. And I will go over those. There's going to be a high density brush, which is already on there. Then we have our velvet brush for softer fabrics. And then we have a silicone brush as well, kind of dual-sided here. And this will slot right in. So you can use those depending on what you're cleaning with. We also have our steam attachment head here, and you can see each one of these have like a little ridge on the top, and they lock right into place. So this will be for your steam attachment. And then what's going to happen here is we can add for more focused setups. If you're trying to get in between like tighter areas, you're going to want to put on this portion here. And last but not least, we have a steam attachment that also has a round brush. So if you need to use a little bit of elbow grease, you can use that attachment as well. Okay, for the first stain, I have an older stain here that's been here for quite some time, and I haven't used anything to try to clean this up. And you can obviously see there's a discoloration of that stain around the rest of the carpet. So we're going to hit it with a little bit of the spray here, and we're going to let that sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to use the machine to see how well it does on just normal carpet stains that are not brand new. Okay, so it's been about 2.5 minutes. You can still see that area that I'm going to utilize here. And we are going to use the standard brush and just hot water and see how it works. Okay, so right off the bat, you can see that the place where I've done this already, just a few nice swipes there, and it's already cleaned up that spot that I pre-treated. And you can notice the difference already in just where I've cleaned with the UWANT and the rest of the carpet. So it's definitely lifting up any latent dirt that might have been underneath. It has powerful suction, 18 kPa, so it's definitely powerful and it's lifting dirt out of my carpet. No problems whatsoever. So far, I'm pretty impressed. Another thing to note is once you're done with that powerful suction that this unit has, there is a little bit of dampness, but it did an awesome job at pulling up almost all the water from this as well. I also wanted to test in other scenarios as well. So I wanted to kind of pre-treat here, and I put some of the solution in the actual unit itself, which you can also do instead of just spraying it down and leaving it on this tile on this bathroom floor to see if it would work on tile as well. So we're going to use the steam and the round brush head to kind of get into the tile here. You can see I kind of overdid it with the water a little bit before I switched over to steam. But you can see you can get right down in there and really clean out in between the tiles here with not a lot of effort, surprisingly. So the steam, as you can see, is now kicking in a little bit more, and we have some very clean grout between those tiles that we did not have before. So this is easy. Maybe do this before you mop, and then you can just mop up the rest. And you should have a very, very clean floor using the steam at its high temperature and using this round brush head to get in between the tiles there. The last example I wanted to show you is when you open up your windows from a long winter and it's spring or summertime out, you get a lot of that kind of dirt in the track of the windows. I wanted to test the steam on this, and I really wanted to see what this would do if it will have enough power and be hot enough to clean the track of the window. And as you can see, once it kicks in, once that steam kicks in there, we are just off and running. And you can see that it cleans the track of the window very, very nicely without having to get in there with anything. So hard to reach places are going to be easy to do here as well, depending on your use case. In my case, cleaning these windows out every spring, summertime when you start to open up the windows is a big pain in the butt. And this gets in there really easily. And with that steam will really just kind of knock out all that dirt for you. Of course, once you're done all of your cleaning, you're going to want to remove the tank and clean that as well. You're going to see that there's going to be, that's the portion on the right-hand side that is our clean water, and then of course our dirty water as well. Now I've emptied this a couple times already, but I do want to show you just how much dirt you can be pulling up from your carpets here, and that is just living in your carpets. And you don't want that there if you don't have to have it there. Then you can rinse that portion out and dump out the other portion. You'll have to lift up the little tab there and clean your tank and let it dry and put it away for storage. The next thing you want to do, especially if you're going to store this for a while, is use this cap for draining the hose out. It will help you from building up bacteria in the hose. You're just going to want to attach this, make sure that the lever is secure, make sure that it's powered on. Once it's powered on, what we're going to do is we're just going to hold down the water button, and it is going to eject any excess water from the tank and through the hose to kind of help you self-clean this. So this is something that you're going to want to do before you store your unit if you're going to be storing it for a long period of time. Once you're done with that, you can coil up the hose itself around the bottom twice, and it's got this nice little lever that will, or hook that you can hook on the attachment here, and you're good to go. You can open up the tank as long as it's dry. Mine doesn't happen to be dry yet, but just for saying that, we can open up the tank and you can actually put your attachments into the tank for storage. And then that way, if you're going to store this for, a month or two or something like that in between cleanings, you can easily store it away. So there you go. That's my review of the UWANT Y100 Steam Spot Carpet Cleaner. Now, this it has some really good suction on it. In my testing, I tried a bunch of different stains, and even the one that you saw on here was a stain that was not a new one, but had been there for maybe a week or two and had already been stained prior to me trying to clean it, and the UWANT Y100 had no issues picking up that stain. So if you have stains newer or older, it's going to have enough cleaning power to definitely get them out of your carpet. This has definitely passed all of my expectations for what I would want in a spot carpet cleaner. Overall, I'm definitely giving it a thumbs up. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.